For homeowners in Smithtown, keeping energy bills under control while maintaining comfort is a year-round priority. From chilly winters to warm summers, doors play a bigger role in your home's energy performance than many people realize. If your entry, patio, or side doors are old, drafty, or poorly insulated, they could be costing you hundreds of dollars annually in wasted energy. The good news is that door replacement offers a simple, effective solution to improve energy efficiency and enhance overall comfort in your Smithtown residence. Why old doors hurt efficiency over time? Doors naturally wear down. Gaps may form around frames, weather stripping becomes brittle, and materials warp due to humidity or changing temperatures. These issues create leaks that allow warm air to escape in winter and cool air to seep out in summer. Some of the most common problems with older doors include drafts, air leaks around edges or beneath thresholds, poor insulation, hollow or thin core doors that can't resist temperature changes, warped frames, caused by age, moisture, or shifting foundations, outdated glass inserts, single pane or non-insulated glass that transmits heat. The result? Your HVAC system works harder, energy consumption rises, and your utility bills increase. How door replacement boosts energy efficiency? Modern insulating materials. New doors are designed with energy-efficient cores made of insulated foam, fiberglass, or steel. These materials significantly reduce heat transfer, helping maintain stable indoor temperatures. Improved weather sealing. Replacement doors include advanced weather stripping and tight-fitting thresholds. These block drafts and prevent air leaks, ensuring that outside temperatures stay outside. Energy-efficient glass. If you choose a door with glass panels, today's options include double or triple pane glass with low E coatings. These features minimize heat transfer while allowing natural light to brighten your Smithtown home. Better frame construction. Modern door frames are reinforced and carefully sealed during installation. This eliminates gaps and provides a more secure, airtight fit compared to older frames. The energy savings you can expect by upgrading to energy-efficient doors. Many Smithtown homeowners report reductions of 10 to 20% on annual heating and cooling costs. While savings vary depending on the size of your home and the number of doors replaced, the long-term return on investment is clear. For example, if your household spends $2,000 per year on energy, even a 15% reduction means saving $300 annually. Over a decade, that's thousands of dollars saved, all while improving comfort and reducing strain on your HVAC system. Added comfort benefit. Energy efficiency isn't the only perk of replacing your doors. Homeowners also enjoy consistent indoor temperatures, no more chilly drafts by the door in winter, reduced outside noise, insulated materials block sound, creating a quieter home, protection against moisture. Properly sealed doors prevent water intrusion that can lead to mold or wood rot. Increased home value. Energy-efficient upgrades are highly attractive to potential buyers. Why professional installation matters. Even the best door won't deliver results if it's installed incorrectly. Professional installation ensures precise measurements for a perfect fit, correct sealing to prevent air leaks, compliance with local building codes, manufacturer warranties that protect your investment. In Smithtown, working with experts familiar with the area's seasonal conditions ensures your new doors are installed to maximize both efficiency and durability. Final thoughts for Smithtown residents. Door replacement is one of the smartest ways to improve energy efficiency and lower utility costs. By choosing modern, well-insulated doors and relying on professional installation, you'll enjoy immediate benefits, reduced drafts, improved comfort, and significant long-term savings. If your current doors are showing signs of wear, now is the perfect time to upgrade. Investing in new, energy-efficient doors not only protects your wallet but also enhances the comfort and value of your home for years to come.